Visoso, and I'm here with Hands On Labs, and I'm going to be doing a quick interview with my guest here. So, hi, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you? My name is Marino Wijay.
And can you tell me a little bit why you're here with Hands On Labs?
So I'm here to support the hands-on labs and help our customers really understand the value of our technology and where we're out there really solving problems. Many years ago when we started this off, we were able to really show the value of the vSphere product out there, and now we've taken that beyond what we were able to do today and really address some serious problems out there in the world. Things like disaster recovery, things like security, automation, and we're addressing it with technologies like NSX, for example. When I go back to thinking what my favorite lab is, I would actually look at the NSX Cloud Lab, which focuses on running a business application in the cloud, but using multiple clouds and leveraging the security platform to tie all of these pieces together and provide the best possible experience out there.
Great, thank you so much. This is a great overview, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Thank you.